October marks Manufacturing Month in Maine, a time to educate the public about the strength and diversity of the state's manufacturing sector.
Elmet Technologies, a metal manufacturer right in Lewiston, is recognized worldwide for producing high-quality metals for defense, aerospace, also medical applications. As News 13's Vivian Lee reports tonight, the company recently secured a multi-million-dollar contract now with the U.S. Navy, and they're expanding their manufacturing to hire more skilled workers and to meet that growing customer demand.
On the manufacturing floor of Elmet Technologies,
so everything that we manufacture goes through this process.
Brandon Burgess, Vice President of Special Projects at the Elmet Group, explains how crushed ore from different countries is turned into metals like tungsten and molybdenum, known as moly, using a sintering furnace.
The furnace operates around 1450 degrees Celsius.
The powdered materials are pressed together and heated until they form a strong, solid piece. And these metals can handle high heat and wear, making them useful in defense, aerospace scanning, and medical equipment.
Helicopters will use it for its weight density, for balance weights. There's a lot of applications for that. The density is used for shielding, radiation.
Elmet started in 1929 by making tungsten filaments for light bulbs. Today, it is the largest U.S.-owned maker of tungsten and moly products, with about 400 employees in Lewiston, Ohio, and Michigan.
Reshoring of manufacturing in the United States has been huge for us. Tariffs have actually been a help for us.
Elmet recently received a $5.1 million contract to develop new forging methods for two special superalloys used in U.S. Navy nuclear submarines. The company will use a large extrusion press at its Michigan plant for this work.
Essentially, you're taking a big chunk of material and pushing it through a tube, and out comes a wire or a bar.
This set of automated robotic equipment will perform inspections, cleaning, and packaging of their products. The capability of running 20 hours a day, the technology will allow the company to ramp up to meet the demand for materials from the U.S. military. And as the customer base grows, the company is also looking to expand its workforce with machinists who can be trained to operate the equipment. In Lewiston, Vivian Lee, News Center, Maine.
And earlier this year, Elmet agreed to partner with a German producer of two metal materials that work particularly well in aerospace and space exploration.